turbo sounds crazy.
Let's take it for a spin real quick.
Yeah, let's go.
What is going on, guys? Thank you for watching another video. Today we have a very exciting one. We are finally putting an exhaust on the car. I've got my friend Roland here. We're gonna be tackling that right now. And then I did take some before and after clips, so I'll be showing you guys that, and then we'll see what it sounds like. But if you guys have not liked the video, make sure you do that real quick and subscribe. Okay, so this is the box. I've had this box at my house for quite some time, so it looks a little rough, but we're gonna open it up and let's see how everything looks. Okay, so here it is. We have not taken it out of the package, but I was just talking to Roland, and I do want to point out that mine is a single exit mid pipe, and the main reason is, after doing some research, I noticed that a lot of people are saying if you have a downpipe and you're keeping the mufflers, you gotta go single, because otherwise you'll get a crazy ass rasp. If you don't have downpipes and you want to take off the muffler, then you can go equal length. But yeah, that's what I went with. So we'll see what it sounds like.
You know, these welds are so clean too. Shout out whoever did this, man. Just dimes. And these are the round clamps, and these are what look like, I don't know if they're called compression clamps, but that's what I'm gonna call them, compression clamps. Oh. Remember when I said watch your face?
Yeah, you forgot it?
Yeah, I did, even though I said it.
I guess it wasn't a problem after all.
Thank God, bro.
No, it's because I'm so used to it, bro. I'm already prepared.
Me too.
So I was like, wait a second.
And with how rusty they looked, I was like, bruh, it's gonna be a mission. No, it wasn't.
Thank God.
Yeah. Okay, now we take this sucker off, that sucker off,
and more suckers down the road.
and more suckers down the road. Yep. Oh, we gotta take that off just to get the little plate? Okay, let's keep going.
We move.
When you're working on cars, you want to get nice and close. So close you can taste it.
And not smell it, right?
No, now with these new, at my shop, my TikTok shop, Breathe Right strips, you can smell everything. Even the rust on the exhaust.
Hey, yo!
Also, link in my TikTok shop.
You can smell how long Roland hasn't taken a shower.
No, I fixed that with at my shop, not my TikTok shop, Old Spice deodorant. Fixing everybody's problems there. Can't breathe? No shirts. Can smell how smelly you are? Old Spice.
Alright, so we finally got the original one off. Here it is. We're gonna put this one side by side just to see kind of how it lays out, and then we'll see how it is in the car.
What do you think it'll sound like, Rowan?
I think it sounds good.
I think it'll sound like an exhaust.
Oh, yeah. Dude, if I were you, I would have turned it on with no exhaust. That shit would have been sick.
Raggedy, raggedy. If we have an exhaust leak, we know who to blame.
Shit.
The company.
Literally. Don't come looking this way.
Fuck, bro. Why are you getting stuck? Why don't you reach? I did it right, man. Yeah,
Yo, somebody did the H&R sway bars in this thing. I want to push it as far as we can.
Well, you're not gonna go over that because there's a big ass weld.
No, there's a big ass bump. I know I can't go over that, but I want to get as close to it as I can. That's it.
Did you do the other side too?
That's it. I did that side.
So we're done.
We're done.
All right, so we just finished. The night did catch up to us, but you know, we like to chatter a lot. If you look down there, I don't know if you guys can see it too well, but everything is all attached. And now it's the moment of truth. Let's see how it sounds. All right, guys, we just finished. I'm gonna have Roland turn on the car, and then I'm gonna catch my reaction and Manny's reaction. So let's see.
3, 2, 1. Yo, that thing is loud.
Open the valve. Open the valve. Yikes. Okay, I stepped away a little bit. It is loud, okay? I told him to rev it just so we could hear it. The thing is that it's still cold, so it's not gonna pop or anything. So we'll probably take it for a spin and see how it sounds like that. But I love how it sounds. Yeah, it should be able to pop now that it's settled. So let's see, let's try it again.
It's revving faster.
Yo,
like, watch it, look.
Let's take it for a spin.
Turbo sounds crazy.
Let's take it for a spin real quick.
Yeah, let's go.
All Alright, here we go.
It sounds good. What do you think,
really
Manny?
Nothing is loud, boy, even back here.
There's no drum. It's so aggressive.
It's like a very, very loud tone.
That shit
Ready?
crazy.
They're so crisp. Christ. Yo, this thing moves.
Nah,
Thoughts?
bro. The downshifts are crazy on this thing now.
Holy shit.
Oh my god. Now this thing is loud.
They're crisp.
I like it.
Alright, one more.
The M4 definitely needed this.
Do you feel like it shifts a little faster?
Yeah.
Ish? I don't know. I think the response just goes up just a little bit.
Alright, you ready? Let's do
Yeah.
one last one.
Go.
One last one for the boys.
Jesus Christ. Oh my god.
Oh my. That thing was loud.
Yo, I'll be honest, I didn't floor it. No, I don't think I've really ever floored this car.
I don't know, that shit was moving.
Oh, it was fast. It was hard to hold the camera up.
Alright, let's bounce
Let's get
before
before the
people start investigating and stuff. But damn, it sounds nice. I like it because it's not like too extra or anything. I feel like as soon as I turn on the valves, we're back to normal. And then I just got like a darker tone, or not darker, but deeper tone.
Yeah.
And that's exactly what I was going for. So it is perfect. We will definitely obviously make more videos, and I'm sure the more the exhaust kind of settles in, the better it'll get. So yeah, I can't wait to make more videos about it. So be ready for it. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you subscribe and like the video, and then I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.